make many directors come to the board. They are like, okay, let us make that word more so far that other people will follow us. But if we are to wait for Karamojogo to develop, so Mukono serve, then those ones who have come from here and away, and we want to nationalize our circle, then here, if it is to kill, I'm killing myself.
I have the money there. At the end of this meeting, I get a register from here and with your school. And I normally give number with the tags. And I'm going to have those she has refused to put it on. It is mandatory. You can see our journalists, they are welcome. It is an indication we will come up better if we are united. A vital one, very important. We will move together, we will succeed. But we still need children to grow from different houses, different rooms. Every district can have a team. We support it. We can get documentation for them. A register is very important. Have a register of your members. When we come to a district, we will incorporate them.
Let me do an inquiry.
Yes, doctor.
What does it take for the two to be registered legally? Because there was so much pressure coming out from the members to say we don't want this, and that's how we ended up pushing to form the other circles, those small ones, as subsisters, so that we form the national. The sister, I take the same
school in Casa Town, from the university. So when we say is the coordinator for Wakiso, when we say we don't need the boss, we need even more than that. I was given two tasks. One, go and have another cooperative society or a circle owned by owners of schools. My one. Did you look at the certificate? This is what they say. Almost 8 years. We can have a change of name. We'll move together. Requirements. Madam, when you come late, you don't push people behind.
I've told you I used an analogy of a child being born out of wedlock. You wanted to write something else, somebody wrote something else, but what was written is now legally binding. Therefore, if we are to correct that thing, we are here, we are the members around, we can always gun for the national, and it will be done. I'm ready to escort you to make sure that it's done.
Okay,
because I've got national interest.
Thank you. Now,
now, the name, how the name started, how it was changed or not, individuals make it here. We explain it, so that was there. Now, what has caused us problem was when the Mukono opened the account, and then somehow we see that it was not a big thing for the office. Really, we were only one. Now, still it is a win, there's a win for us to have the national interest. For me, I'm very okay that let them go. It's okay. Chairman, you have seen that without the national interest, you can't go far. There's a lot of money outside there. Too much money. But it can only happen when you have the national interest. The issue of how the name Mukono came to me, Mama, where I'm not doing with that. Mukono, I'm not doing. And
for the discussion, I'm adding it to
Thank you. For me, mine is small because that you just go much. You have to have money. I don't know how much are the cost for the national 50 for registering.
Almost take the lead. But I also concur with what Madam is saying. Having formed Mukono, we cannot kill the name just like that. I would also propose that. But the Mukono people, our wish from the Reveland miss this, we got an advantage as people who want to register. So we are requesting that now that Mukono has been registered through that channel, we request that you leave us and then we formalize the national. We make it as a request, not because I'm looking at this issue as if it was a mistake to have Mukono. But now in the meeting, from what the Reverend was saying, it is like Mukono was legally registered. They had they illegally applied for the registration.
It's existing. Wow, it came to buy, that's not a problem.
So, as long as you are not going to leave us,
Hours.
Yes, Dams.
So I think this has come to our needs. We are going to do national. And I was advising if we can have the next meeting, that is like a national meeting away from Mukono district.
Yes.
To have that picture of those people you
Explain what is there. Then you give us to understand it. Our national executive is, I open this file for you to check. There is the register there, there is the executive, every information of the cooperative is in that file. Man research, as to me, who organized it to have it with this team, we thought it is still ruling. That's why we even went back to the ministry to say our certificate needs to work for us with the vision that we developed originally. Now that we have come to have two things operating independently, we will move together. Now, can I have your submission on how to have a national treasury? If Dr. Basariwa is going to remain on Mukono, what?
Why are we pushing back and forth on the election of people who was to cover up for the mess to fit this thing right to be registered to access the bank? So the big question would be, what is the benefit of us having even the local formations or the local uniform, like the Mukono, the Soroti, the other one? What is the benefit of all this? Is it not simply for mobilization of membership?
Yes.
So why are we emphasizing on the local outfit rather than having the national outfit corrected? Because as much as I have been here, I'm an external person, but internal. I've been listening to the conversation in the world, so I thought we'd be more focused as a team to fit this thing right, to fit the national interest, which was the original intent, and carry the local one to be also formalized to support its mobilization agenda of the membership. But it looks like there's a subverted in-feeling, to be very straight in, where somebody is saying it looks like this one will subdue this one should subdue this one, and to me, it is our own in-feeling. It is like there is hidden agendas behind this communication. If it is a power play game, I think we have to come out very clearly and say what is it that we want to attain as a team of proprietors of Amasomero, which was taking care of everybody. The error came. True, we have accepted it was an error. How can we fix this error to fit the local formation while we maintain the big one? We are clear. But now this election of membership pushing back and forth. Myself and the rest were being opted in a meeting to be interim. Moses Pasarino was opted to be the treasurer. And that was it. So whether it's in the national one, he should maintain his office. We elect these other people in the local formation to run, and we keep it simple. I don't know whether I'm becoming simple-minded against the politics of the day, but to me,
Excuse me. Dr. Basari.
To me, we are going to harmonize this thing by leaving Mukono operate, leaving Kayunga operate, leaving Katsi operate, but they subscribe to us. We lead them, we organize them, we get what the national vice chairperson was talking about. We can harvest better when we are united. Remember the meaning of the word Jima is praying. Together, or being on a standstill. We will not grow as we would grow when we are a team. But when we join it together, A question from Kasese.
Thank you. Now my worry, when of course this bank account has the subscription from national members, and now it is a bank account for Mukono. So when it comes to subscription,
Where will the money? Which one is your school?
five is the local school.
Okay. Now, the money. Let me just use the word money. Money that was brought in. We say this one paid for national. This one is Mukono. This one is national. This one is Mukono. Then we can open another account. Our national vice chairperson is a commercial officer. Is a man. That's a man who studied the money issues. He's an accountant, a national accountant. So he will guide us in matters of money. I have a protector. I'm protected with him because he will tell me this money was paid as membership from Soroti, from Mbale, from Kasese. It goes to national. This one is from Mukono Davos. It remains on the account. Then we shall sort ourselves with Mukono and the national. I don't think there is a problem there. We are going to sort the money and separate.
The local fits, like the Mukono, the Soroti one, be borrowing money as independent entities from the main circle. And that is why we are pushing in for the separation. Or we are going to go together as, if you are a proprietor, you can borrow money from the national.
Is yours related?
Bring
it, then we answer one.
Associations that are running with the same people. Because according to explanation, you are saying that we shall separate. You say this one is from Mukono, this one is from Kasese. Those people from Kasese are put on the national. Does it mean that people from Mukono, we are not part of the national?
The national program that we first form the branches from different regions, whereby Mukono is part of the small branches that would at the end unite and form the national. So Mukono is like that of Soroti, like that of Wea, which will also keep running separately, but they are part of the national.
Why we need to have two? Because what I know, the moment the national cooperative take over, this Mukono will also go to the national. That one I must tell you, because if we are to get money, because it is a national, they want to get money. If we are to give money to Mukono, this means we have to have MOU, because these are two separate entities. Western issue is separate. So now, for me, yes, feeding the baby may be hard, and I don't want to push that one. That's why I said for me it's okay. But now, let us make sure that the national formation, especially the executive, should really reflect. Because we already have a bad history. He said that was next time it's not having a meeting. Having a meeting here still, we'll say these are Mukono things. And that's how people run away.
Suggest way of
I ran away because I was there at the beginning when this thing. We tried to see maybe it's satisfied. But I think now, somehow, somewhere, things were not very clear. I have to be honest. So now, bringing him at the national level still, we say now, these clique of people who are staff. Huh? So we need really to have a clear how we can communicate outside there. Remember, we can still bring this love back. For me, if I'm to communicate, I'm very sure we shall get all the members back. Where are the members?
Okay.
Which will now require a lot of sacrifice. The way we started at the beginning, because for this thing to move, we need to sacrifice. Remember, we have to sacrifice, especially to make this sure that this thing move. Huh? So now, let's see how we can have a representative covering all these places, and then things will move very well.
Thank you very much.
From the land and of
Thank you very much for your discussion.
Okay.
It's very good. You know, when we are together, oh,
We shall remain with anything that's there and work together.
and listening to everything going on. And what I'm expecting is to hear what is the national issues. Because that was the message we received that we are going to have a general meeting. If it is a general meeting, means we discuss according to the general issue. Our Mukono Tuayo, we are bringing it together so that we can discuss what can we do according to what we already discussed. That is what I've been expecting. That is the way we have been discussing. I just keep quiet because I'm just listening. And it's so thank you very much for your contribution. But another time, when you are calling, let us concentrate on general meeting. Because issue for general meeting is the chairman saying there is a group wants to give us money to support us. My dear friend, sister and brother, when there is chance of people supporting us in a pool ready to support us, let us be together and we receive what we are going to give us. So that is my.
Thank you very much. District commercials of the particular district where you work to represent them. So they will present over the elections and we shall have a national elections team executed. Like how Dr. Betty was bringing it, what we have, including myself, is what
to others and know what other schools are doing. Then it also helps us in circles, like getting money instead of going to the bank. We are able to get our monies from the association or from the cooperative, and it helps us run the schools concurrently. So I urge each and every person down there to reach out to the private sector, private cooperative, reach out to Major Malinga, our chairperson, and he will get the best. Thank you so much. Have a good time.
This is why we are coming together. Our insight is when she needs a push, preferably she doesn't want to borrow, but she wants a help, we can say now, out of the 400 members, can we give her 1 million each? She will have money to construct a house, a dormitory, a classroom block, and so on and so forth. She's buying a school bus for her children to travel well. We can contribute equally. When another one also does the same, we contribute. If she needs to borrow, we are giving money at a lesser interest rate, just 12%, to our member schools, our directors, our proprietors in this cooperative society, money at 12%, which is not breaking them like compared to other financial institutions when they get money from there. In totality, I urge all school owners who have not joined us to join us, because we benefit a lot within the teamwork, within this cooperative society. We shall have something to harvest with the future when we are together. Members, I urge all of you to go and inform others who have not yet joined us to be part of us. Thank you very much. I remain Major David Malinga, the National Chairperson for Private Proprietors of Schools, Cooperative Society. I wish you well. Amasomero in schools, when schools come, we give money to a member school. A school that has subscribed, has paid their shares, have registered as a full registered school can come and borrow from our cooperative society at 12% interest rate. This rate does not break. It is not a breakneck rate. It is a fair rate compared to other institutions that you know outside there. Our cooperative is money owned by these people and they are using their...
Moment. Can we start again?
Major Malinga David is my name. I'm the National Chairperson for Private Schools Proprietors Multipurpose Cooperative Society, and I'm the Director Excel High School, where students are. We had a meeting today for all owners of schools to look at the way forward for this year, and it has been a very beautiful meeting where people traveled from Kasese, Guru, Mukono, Butareja, Masaka, Vende, up to here. They really impressed me for coming, and we have discussed a lot. So our major purpose is we are developing education together by pulling financial resources together as a pool, such that we use this money again to develop our schools. Individuals highlighted the meaning of team. Together, everyone achieves more. Meaning that when we come together as a cooperative society, pulling financial resources together, we solve financial challenges in our respective schools. Vis-a-vis, if, for instance, Mukono Dams is constructing a dormitory, we can give her one.
So kwebaza abatesitesi abateekateeka ekintu kino Olunaku lwaleero balina meeting ennungi era nga tukubaganyiza ebirowoozo ku bintu eby'enjawulo. So nyongera okukubiriza abantu bonna abatandisi b'amasomero abali mu Wakiso n'ebitundu ebiriraanyewo okugira batwegatteko tusobole otambulira awamu, kubanga mu Luganda tugamba agali awamu yegalumenya. Mujje mutwegatteko tutambulire wamu tusobole otambuza omulimu gwe era tugugguse. Mwebale nnyo.
Part of this meeting that was organized by the National Chairperson, Private Schools, Proprietors, Multipurpose Society. The meeting has been good, and we have agreed on a number of issues. Among others, we want to see private schools coming together so that we can have one voice, can create an advocacy for private schools. There have been a number of challenges that are affecting private schools in Uganda, and we are coming together to put our efforts together to see how these challenges can be put right.
Dr. Sentebbe, and Director University of Creative Technology. I was privileged today to attend the National Private Institution Organization organized by the YMCA. University is a global university with various campuses around the world. We run hands-on programs, and I'm welcoming all the O-level and A-level schools to apply for the opportunities given at University in Mukono in Namataba. Thank you so much, and welcome all.
Sentebbe Joseph Mpanga, Reveland Primary School ne Football Academy. Tulina essomero lyaffe emikula kyetula tusomesa abaana omupiira era n'abaana abawala bali ku national level tuzanyira mu FIFA League, regional league, that's Uganda region. Leero tuweereddwa omukisa okubeera wano nga proprietors kubanga meeting ey'amaanyi era tusikiriza ne badirectors abalala bajje. Tulina magazine gye tuli mu kukola era tugenda gitambuza nationality tuyambe okubeera nti proprietors bajja mu sako yaffe tusobole okubeera nti tusika resources nga tatuziza mu kigo kimu tusobole okutuyamba okufuna bino byetwetaaga. Sigende nga nze sekitegeeza
Abooluganda, erinnya eryange Musaite Florence. Twebaza Katonda olwaleero tubadde ne meeting ya National Proprietors of Schools. Mukama tumwebaza, leero ttiimu yaffe ebadde communication together. Era ekigambo kyaffe tukiggye mu Yoweri 3 nga tugamba tulina okukolera wamu ng'abooluganda. Awo bwe tuba ne tukola Luganda wamu tetusobola kutambula. Era tugezezzaako okuvvuunula missoni yaffe ne vision okukolaganira wamu.
Tulira essuubi nga tutambulidde wamu tujja kweyongera okulaakulana n'amasomero gaffe gonna. Twebale nnyo okusaba bakadde okwogerako eggwanga n'eri abakulu b'amasomero gonna abakubiriza era twegatte wamu tusobole okubeera n'ensimbi ezitumala okukola emirimu gy'amasomero gaffe era n'okusobola okulaakulanira wamu. Twebale nnyo okwegatta wamu nga bakubira amasomero mu ggwanga lino. Era bwe tubadde wano kibadde nga tukakatako okubeera nga twekwanyakwanya tutambulire wamu tugenze kumaliriza nga tukiziganyiza okubeera national cooperative union era nga ne Mukono already eri legally binding eri entambula esubmitinga national. Twebaza nnyo